Hello and welcome to Ecodhara. I am Pranita and today we are going to talk about first R of zero waste lifestyle in detail. And that R is refuse. Refuse is the first and most powerful R, but it is not always easy to practice. We can practice refuse for the things that we don't need or we have an alternative available. I have divided this discussion into two parts. The first one is about the things that are easy to refuse. We will talk about these things in this video. In the subsequent videos, we will talk about the things that are harder to refuse and what are the things that we can do to refuse those. So let's start with the first one. Single-use items. When I was traveling to US, Europe and in other countries, I realized that we are not as used to single-use items as they are, which is a good thing. But times are changing and we are going on the same path. We have to reconsider our choices. In this category, let's start with the obvious ones, that is single-use plastic items.
Single-use plastic cups and glasses. For ages, we are using reusable cups and glasses. These go on for years with just washing. For a little convenience, let's not dirt the earth. Straws. When we have juice or any other liquid at home, we drink it without straw, right? Then why do we need a straw when we drink it outside? If you absolutely need, use a reusable straw. Single-use plastic bags. As these polythene bags are already banned in India, I hope nobody is asking for them anymore. Earphones. We are offered use and throw earphones in international flights. There is no need to use this if we are carrying our own earphones or headphones. And we know the sound quality and comfort is better in our earphones than any other ones, right? Plastic bottles. Carry own bottle everywhere like I told in earlier video. I carry my bottle everywhere, even during flights. In India, domestic flights allow carrying water. For international flights, I just empty the bottle and fill it up again after security. Drinking water is available in all airports. Plastic caps. When we buy a drink, I think we can totally do without these plastic caps. These are just to hold the straw in place and for ease of drinking. We can say no to these. Plastic liners. Most of us put all the garbage in a bin with liner so that it is easy to throw away. But if you are segregating waste, you could easily do without a liner. Let's try our best. Cutlery. Every one of us have spoons and forks at home. But still we get those with takeaways from shops for food, ice cream, etc. If you are bringing your own takeaway, just refuse taking these. In an online delivery, you can still write a note refusing the cutlery. Now let's move on to some non-obvious ones. Cotton swabs. We tend to completely ignore this product. The middle stick is generally plastic, can be wooden as well, but yes, it's a single-use item worth refusing. Makeup removal pads and cotton balls. We can easily use reusable cotton pads for removing makeup. There are many available in market. Sanitary napkins and tampons. There is a detailed video coming up on this to help you totally refuse these single-use items very soon. Stay tuned. Paper napkins. This is easy. Most of us do not use paper towels in kitchen, toilet yet, so it's less of a trouble to refuse. Just switch to a handkerchief and napkin and you are good to go. Pamphlets. And yes, business cards too. We just read or sometimes just glance and throw the pamphlet away. Better take a moment to read then and there. And if you are interested, take a photo and give the pamphlet back. Same with the business card. No need to hoard such cards which you don't even use later. Customer copy of the transaction. Refuse beforehand if you don't need it, and mostly you won't need it. Remember my explanation in the earlier video? These are some of the things that we can easily refuse and reduce the waste that we are creating. I'm sure you'll be able to find out many more such items which will reduce your waste even further. Till then, keep refusing, keep thinking how to reduce your waste. Bye bye.